guys, my name is Rob Love and thanks for clicking on my YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you guys my favorite bicep exercises with dumbbells. This is actually going to be my first workout video on YouTube. If you watched any of my previous videos, there's only 3 of them. I showed you guys how to make some weights. These these plates right here from cavemanweights.com. I painted them, they look great, they work great. I still need to make 2 more. But yeah, anyway, today I'm gonna show you guys my favorite way to hit biceps with dumbbells. We're gonna hit the short head. We're gonna hit the long head. This gives you the peak of the bicep. We're gonna hit the brachialis and the brachioradialis. And stay tuned. Next week, I'll show you my favorite tricep exercises with dumbbells. And we're gonna keep this thing going and continuing to push out these videos. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. So the first exercise we're gonna hit is going to allow us to hit the long head of the bicep. And the way we're gonna do that is use a bench, and that's gonna allow us to put our elbows behind our body and get a good stretch in our bicep. And we're gonna hit about 10 to 12 reps. We want them slow and controlled. Ooh, those burn. So as you're doing these curls, I know everyone talks about mind-muscle connection. Mind-muscle connection comes from controlling the weight, squeezing your muscle, and it's actually, mind-muscle connection is flexing. When you have total control over the weight. Have you ever told a little kid to flex their muscle and all they do is just ball up their fists? And the muscle, they're not flexing their muscle, they're just balling up their fists. That's not mind-muscle connection. That's wrong, it's all wrong. I know it's a little kid, but it's all wrong. So what it is, mind-muscle connection is contracting, flexing that muscle as you're lifting the weight. And then as you come down, you want to control it. So that's your mind-muscle connection, is squeezing the muscle under the weight. Yeah. All right, so this next exercise is gonna allow us to hit the short head of the bicep. And we're gonna use the bench. Rest our back of our arm on the bench. And we're gonna come down and we're gonna bring the pinky towards our shoulder. So with this exercise, you don't wanna bring the weight across to your chest. You wanna bring it back over here past your shoulder, pinky up, control the weight coming down, back up, squeeze. And we're gonna try to get 10 to 12 reps of this as well. Keep it under control. There you go. Woo! All right, so next exercise we're gonna hit, man, got a little pump going on. They looking good. All right, so next exercise we're gonna hit is we're gonna hit hammer curls. Hammer curls are gonna allow us to hit the brachialis. This is the muscle that sits underneath the bicep, and it gives you that width, that make your arm look wide. Oh man, yeah, I like that pump. Yeah, anyway, we're hitting the brachialis next. This exercise is called hammer curls. You can go heavier doing hammer curls than you can doing normal curls. Well, for me, I can. Yeah, we're gonna do alternating curls. So, yeah. Squeeze, I'm going a little fast. You wanna slow it down. Squeeze, flex that muscle. Control it down. Flex, 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 control it down. Okay guys, so this next exercise, we're gonna hit the brachioradialis, and that's the muscle on the forearm. You can't be walking around with some small forearms, so and these are basically just reverse dumbbell curls. So we're gonna do these alternate as well. And you can actually see it popping out. Slow it down, slow it down. Control. All right guys, so that's all I got for you for biceps today. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned because I have triceps coming next week. I'll show you my favorite tricep exercises, and we're gonna keep this going, continue pushing out these videos. Appreciate you, thank you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section. Please like this video. Comment, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. I'm trying to push out these videos and get better at this whole YouTube thing. I appreciate you guys. Thank you.